most people get this wrong. They assume any gas credit card will save them money, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is picking a card without checking how you actually spend on fuel every month. In this video, we are breaking down the best gas credit cards in 2026, so you can save the most money every time you fill up. Let's start with the basics. Gas credit cards are designed to give you extra cashback or rewards when you buy fuel. Some also include rewards on groceries, travel, or everyday spending. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best gas credit cards usually fall into three types. First category, dedicated gas cashback cards. These cards give higher rewards specifically at gas stations. Typically, you can earn between 3 to 5% cashback on fuel purchases. For someone like Alex, who drives daily to work, this type of card can save a noticeable amount every month without changing any habits. But here's the problem. Many people think these cards only work at any gas station, but some only work with specific brands or networks. That is where people lose rewards without realizing it. Second category, flat rate cashback cards used for gas. These cards give the same cashback on everything, including fuel. Usually around 1.5 to 2%. For someone like Jake who does not want to track categories or rules, this is the simplest option. In a minute, I'll show you how combining this with another card can actually increase your total fuel savings even more. Third category, rotating category rewards cards. These cards change bonus categories every few months. Gas stations might be boosted in one quarter, then replaced with groceries or dining later. For careful users who track categories, this can offer very high rewards during gas bonus periods. Now let's talk about strategy. The smartest approach in 2026 is not relying on one card. It is layering cards based on spending. For example, you might use a rotating category card when gas is a bonus category, and switch to a flat rate card when it is not. But here's where most people fail. They forget to activate bonus categories, or use the wrong card at the pump, which means they miss out on rewards completely. So what should you actually do? Start by checking where you buy gas most often. Then pick either a dedicated gas cashback card or a flat rate cashback card if you want simplicity. If you are more advanced, combine a category card with a flat rate backup. Let's summarize everything clearly. The best gas credit cards in 2026 are not just about the highest percentage. They are about matching your driving habits, avoiding missed rewards, and using the right card at the right time. If this helped you understand gas credit cards better, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple money-saving guides like this.